Welcome, my friends. It's me, Retired Shenanigans, back with another one. Welcome, all my new subscribers, all my old subscribers, all my future subscribers. I want to thank everybody for watching. Today, you're going to see me twice, hopefully. I'm going to make a pepperoni pizza for lunch. And I have to be more intentional on vlogging. So I said, let me just pick up the camera and make it, show y'all what I do, and see where it goes from there. So come along, we're gonna get ready to make this pizza. Okay, we got some pepper we're gonna put on this pepperoni pizza. So I'm gonna slice them up. That's our dough right there. If y'all remember, I made a pizza, chicken Caesar salad pizza. And this is the other pizza bread that I had left. So I said, let me just make a pepperoni pizza instead of get rid of it. You know, food is so expensive. So we're going to put peppers on our pepperoni pizza. So I'm cutting up this little pepper. Let's see how far it goes. We might have to cut it again. Make it go, and make it spread out. But that was a little pepper I got out of my garden. I got some big ones I bought from the store. But we're going to work with this first. See what happens. So, we got that all cut up. See, my bread started breaking up some. We're going to put some oil on it, though. We're going to put a little, this ain't olive oil, this vegetable oil. We're going to put some of that on it. And we're going to spread that around. I'm going to do the bottom too, because I want the bottom to get a little crispy. So putting a little oil on it might make it a little get crispy. It made the other one a little crispy, so that's what we're going to do. You can tell that's the bottom, because it's different than the top. So we're going to put a little oil. Yep. It's Sunday afternoon. I'm just making this pizza for lunch. It's all broke up, but it'll work. It's gonna stick together once we get the cheese on it. And all the toppings. So, this is spaghetti sauce, pizza sauce, whatever kind of sauce you want to call it. But this is what we're gonna use. Okay, look at that. Oops. That might be too much. And as you know, I go all the way to the end with the sauce. So let's go to the end. Oh no, this is not enough. We might have to put a little more. To me, it looks like we need a little more sauce. Tell me, how y'all like y'all pizza? Saucy or cheesy? Which one? I like mine both. Saucy and cheesy. So we're going to put more sauce. And we're going to work with that bag of cheese right there. You see this cheese, the price? $4. I was mad because I forgot to buy it when I was in this stupid market. Which I call the supermarket, the stupid market. So I can't believe that cheese costs that much. But you know what? Pizza costs like $5 a slice, so I'm gonna get a whole pie with that. All right, we put on our sauce. We're gonna layer our cheese now. And then we're gonna put our peppers, what little bit we got. We might have to cut some more. And we're gonna put some cheese. See how quick and easy this is? This is quick and easy. We're going to put in the oven at 400 for about, that's the oven telling me that it's 400 already. For about 20, 25 minutes. No, maybe not that long. I don't know. We're going to look at it and see. Maybe 15, 20 minutes. That's what it's gonna be, like that. I don't think it's gonna be 20, 25 minutes. Cause oh, we gotta get our pepperoni. We almost forgot. We almost forgot to get our pepperoni. We got to get our pepperonis out the refrigerator. More cheese? What y'all think? I think more cheese. This bag just gonna do it. Right? Let's get our pepperonis. Let's get our pepperoni. 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 See, this is where I should have got the cheese. You see, I went to the store this morning and got these pepperoni. Now I need my scissors because this won't open by ripping. Oh, here's my scissors. Yep. We're going to cook up this pizza. See, this don't take long. This is in real time, people. I ain't stopped the camera yet. So, let's see. This shouldn't take long, right? Shouldn't take long. And it don't cost much. I hope everybody's enjoying their Sunday. Y'all getting ready for the nor'easter. You know, I'm here in New York. It's already raining already. We're supposed to be getting a lot of wind and rain. So if you ain't go to the supermarket to get the milk and bread, you might not get there to get it because it's supposed to be bad. So I went and got my milk and bread this morning. Now let's put out, oh look, this is going to be just enough peppers. This is good. Holy camoli. Ain't God good? Ain't God good? Yes, he is. All the time. Look at that pizza. Do that look good or what? I'm going to put a little more cheese, though, on top of the peppers. But look at that. Let's move this out the way so y'all can see. Right? Look. That pizza look good. We're going to put a little more cheese on it. Then we're going to put it in the oven for, like I said, how much? 15, 20 minutes. All right. That's the final that we're going to put in the oven. And when it come out, me and my niece, we're going to eat the AT double hockey sticks out of this pizza because we hungry. So when it's all done and I'm getting ready to cut it, I'll show you what it look like. That's the pizza out of the oven, fresh out of the oven. So let's cut it up. Let's see how it's doing. What y'all think? Do it look good? Smells good. Oh my God, them peppers smelling so good. Oh. And the crust is crispy. Ooh, look at that cheese. All right. I'm gonna break a piece and we're gonna try it. Cut a piece rather, you know. And we're gonna try it out. I just want a little piece just to try it out first. And I'm gonna go in when I get off the camera. You know, you know? Now you know. All right, let me get a plate. This is just a little piece that I took to taste. So, if you made it to the end of this video, thank you for watching. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. We're going to do more. We're always going to do more. This is just an easy something that I put together because I got to be intentional about picking up this camera and vlogging for you guys. If it's just any old thing that I'm cooking, that's what I'm going to start doing. But we're going to taste this. Let's taste it. Hot. All right now. This is good. This is good. So, I'm going to eat bigger pieces off camera. I just wanted to taste it so you guys, I can tell you how it tastes. It tastes real, real good. So, thank you again for watching. If you made it to the end of this video, make you a pizza. Cheaper than buying it. Get you some $4 mozzarella cheese. One of those breads, I bought 2 at the time, $5. So you're going to spend a little bit, but I still think it's cheaper than buying in the store. You can feed a family of 3 on this, because this was a big pie. So it's cheap, quick, and easy. I want to thank you guys for coming along with me to make my pepperoni pizza. See you on the next one.